Alright, so what is cracking YouTube? Back at again with another video for you guys. We are back in the shop again. As you can tell, we're in here, nice, well littered up. And as you can tell, using a different camera, no more GoPro for in the shop because for some reason the lights were just messing everything up. For some reason, like they were turning off and black lines on the screen. All that's out of the question with this DSLR. So now we're back to high quality content for you guys. But today, what we're gonna be doing is working on a customer's car actually. We're going to be doing a cage for this, I believe it's a 2016 or 17 Yamaha YXZ. Drew Bill just walked in right now. Say what's up to the camera, George. But yeah, so I'm helping my brother out do the cage. Basically, I'm going to try to do it too as well since he does have all the measurements and everything like that on how to make the cage. So it should just work fluently, and he's just going to show me tips and tricks here and there while he's over here working on this Razor turbo build right now that we currently have going on. And also sorry for the echo, if you can hear the echoing. I'm not too sure if the muff on the mic actually covers most of that, but we got a whole lot of business going on here. As you can tell, Drew built, he's welding up this charge tube here for the cold side, making some sensor mounts and stuff like that. And I'm about to get ready to do the cage for the YXZ here. The notes, bring out the bandsaw, set up the notcher and the tube bender. So let's go ahead and get that cracking and let's get this day going. Alright guys, as you can see, I just finished cutting up and bending. Drew did help me over there while he's over here doing some pie cuts and exhaust stuff over there. But went ahead and cut out this 50-inch bar that goes in the bottom here. It's basically like the front A-pillar crossbar. And then I cut up two B-pillar crossbars that go here and here. And then one basically center B-pillar crossbar. So these ones, so you can get in reference, go here. And then we just have to cut them down and get them perfect. And this one, the A one goes there in the front, but obviously I can't do it with one hand. But so those are the bends there. Next, what we're gonna do is go ahead and notch them. We're just gonna set up the notcher and get them all notched, and then Drew Bill's gonna tack them and then weld them. Alright guys, so went ahead and notched these tubes here and went ahead and bent them a little bit more. That way they fit nice and straight. Cut out that middle section bar, notched it too as well. Measured it, make sure it's all centered and square. We notched in here too as well. And that's getting ready, and also Drew Built's over here taking over. Too slow, he's adding the center bar right here. So I did this bar and those two ones, but wait, which one are you cutting? Not that side, right? I cut that side already. Oh, you're cutting it again? Alright guys, as you can see on this YXZ cage build, we got most of the bars done already. Actually, all the bars done, and most of it welded already. My brother already attacked all the welds everywhere. Got the center bar done, both center bars, B-pillar bars, and all that stuff. Looks pretty damn good. Tabs and everything. So next, what we have to do is take the cage off and fully weld it. That's a long process that my brother's gonna take care of. But that's gonna be it for this video here. And next video will probably be just throwing it on and with the powder coat. I'm not too sure what color the customer's gonna go with it yet, but that's gonna be it for this car here. Alright guys, and that's going to wrap it up for this video on the YXZ here. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be me finally installing the turbo kit on my YXZ. This was a customer's car. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.